Hi everyone, today I'm going to cook chicken with lemon. For that I chopped 1.5 onion, that size, pretty medium size to big, 1.5 or next cup, not fully 1 cup of chopped onion. Then I put this green chili and 2 red chili. Then I fried it a little bit. See if you can see that. It meant to be fried slowly, medium heat. Then I actually add a lemon, whole lemon. But it's interesting, it's not really fully whole. I did make in whole lemon a number of whole. Okay, so that is still going to fry. I added 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and chopped ginger, and also I'm going to put about 1 teaspoonful, a paste ginger. Okay, you don't need to get too much flavor of ginger and garlic. It's just fragrance will come naturally. Okay, now I'm going to put about half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, about 1 teaspoon of the cumin seed, and going to put about a teaspoon full, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I'm mixing it a little slowly. As I said, this cooking will be slow, looking so good. You can see the cumin seed. I love cumin seed. It makes all the food really different taste, and I didn't put too much turmeric. Okay, so then lemon is cooking and getting juice slowly. Okay, also I'm going to put dry, about 4 or 5 chilies. Also about a teaspoonful lemon juice. Okay. So it looks really nice, and I'll show you one thing. I have lemon from my garden, so I can use it. So this is all together fried well. What I'm trying to do is add about 1.5 cup of this mug, 1.5 mug water. I'm going to put it's a little bit of warm water would be wonderful. So see how much I need. I need more than that, so another 1/2 cup. Okay, that'll do. Now I leave it for a second, about a 7-minute high heat or medium to high. Okay, looks really good. Let it cook. By that time, I'm gonna lid on. So I'm going to show you what exactly I use whole thing. So first of all, I cut one and a half onion in chopped. Garlic. Tell you guys, sometimes I put this garlic, if I have a lot of garlic, I put in the deep freeze and I cut it up about a long cut. And I also cut ginger, fresh ginger. Also put ginger paste. I showed you about 1 teaspoon level. So all this this chili is from my garden. I dried it and put it in the pot. You have to dry it very well because you have to put in a really good sun. So that's it. Okay. And my favorite thing is cumin seed, and of course chili is also coming from my garden. I love fresh stuff, and I just added 2 cups of, actually 1.5 cup of mug, have 1.5 mug of water. So it will let it cook 7 minutes or 6 minutes. And also I put salt, about 1 teaspoonful. And I made my lemon juice in my fridge when I need to use it. So today I used about 2 tablespoons because it's a lemon chicken. It's called lemon chicken. It's such a beautiful.